What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of JNB Tuning. Well, in today's video, I have an update on the Acura MDX, which I think it's very important for anybody that is following me on the Acura MDX project. At the same time, obviously, if you're following me, you'll be owning one of these cars. So basically, one of the issues that we've been dealing with lately has been resolved, and I'm going to tell you guys what that is. I think it's been resolved because we don't notice that situation anymore. So anyways, recently we have two recalls that was performed by the dealer. Basically, it's under warranty recalls, and so they have done, first of all, let me just check this list here. Basically, there's several things they've done here. One is the connecting rod bearing. They somewhat wear out in that sense, and so if it is worn out, then they actually take the camshaft in that sense, replace it or some sort in the process. But in this case, they checked it and no issues there. It looks like there's no issue in the car in terms of the connecting rod bearing. And so the other item that they have worked on is the fuel injector. No, sorry, not the injector. Connecting rod inspected. And then, so the second one is a fuel pump. So they did the fuel pump, and basically they found that the fuel pump needs to be replaced, I guess, in this sense. And this is what fixed our issue in this case. If you guys remembered many years back, or a couple of years back, or last year or so, I did mention and complain about the jerkiness of this car from fully stopped, waiting on the lights and trying to take off from first to second gear shifting. Somehow the Acura MDX right behind me here, as you guys can see, it's hesitating for some reason. It's almost like a turbo log, and this is not even a turbo car. It felt like you step on the gas and it doesn't do anything, and it just basically then jumps. So yeah, we were wondering what the heck that was, and I was truly hoping that by them doing all this work and inspection on the car will fix it, and it somewhat is fixed, I think. Because since we got the car back, they did the fuel pump, of course, and with the brand new fuel pump, the car is basically acting and driving properly now. It's been about 2 months since they have done it, and we haven't seen an issue or that hesitation on the car. So anyways, guys, I thought that I would share this information with you as you guys have been following this Acura MDX and all the stuff that I've done on this Acura MDX. And I hope that you guys are watching some of the services that I've done in terms of the timing belt and all the fluid changes, differential oil, automatic transmission, oil change, and the transfer case, the whole 9 yards, and the brake jobs that I've done on this car. Pretty soon, I'll be working on trying to get the flushing of the coolant system on this guy, and that'll be another video there for sure. And as well, I'll be doing the brake bleeding and the brake flush on the whole car, because in fact I haven't done it yet since then. So yeah, no, in terms of the MDX, since I have you here, I want to update you with other things going on the car. I think we're over 150,000 kilometers now. Let me check that quickly. I think we are around the, sorry guys, let me just verify where we're at here. How many kilometers do we have now? So we're on 176,000 kilometers on this baby. And basically the problems that we've been having since the 100,000 kilometers mark, there is some kind of noise coming from that side every time we hit the brake or hitting a bump or something like that and applying the brake at the same time. There was some kind of creaking or ticking noise coming from here, and I think I know what the issue is. The dealer has been saying that it's something to do with the shocks, the expensive shocks. Let me just get Chester out. He wants to come in here in the garage. Hi Chester, come in. There's my Chester. He always wants to join me here in the garage. So yeah, back to what I was saying. So basically, I think I need to do the bearings on this Acura MDX pretty soon. So I think that's the only thing that really is a prone issue, one of the prone issue on this car. By the way, I'll be doing my top issues update on this car as I've done around the 70,000 kilometer mark. Pretty soon I'll be updating you with the issues that I've had since then on this car. So there's another video there coming up. So anyways, guys, I thought I would share you this. So far, I wanted to say that this car is amazing, much like my Honda Pilot, Gen 1 Honda Pilot that I had. I've been always amazed and always enjoyed owning a Hondas or Acuras. They're awesome cars, and they're very reliable. Overall, this car is very reliable so far, with again few issues that I can mention to you in the next video there coming up, and those are issues that really it can be many other brands out there can experience. So anyways, guys, so we're at the 170, close to 180,000 kilometers now on this baby, and it's still running well, no issues yet. Pretty soon we'll be doing again the brake flush, coolant flush. The rear differential needs to be done again pretty soon, and I will be doing the spark plugs, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the adjustment on the valves, but that's gonna be a tricky job there to do, but we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll get the dealer or a mechanic to get that done for me in that sense, but I might do the spark plugs. But if they're going in there to do opening the valve up to do the valve adjustment, then might as well get them to do the spark plugs as well. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, the car is amazing still. A few little things that I have on the car. Again, the windshield is still broken. We haven't fixed it yet. Recently, there's someone around the winter time backed onto our car while my wife is driving on a parking lot, and basically cracked the bumper here, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a crack there now that I need to fix. Nothing major. I have a plastic weld that I'll be doing to fix that. It's barely noticeable, and you know, it can be fixed anyways there. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'm gonna be closing the video here. If you guys haven't seen all the videos I've done on the Acura MDX, please do so. And the rest of the fleet and the cars that I own here, if you guys know that I do have a Golf R, also a unique and very unpopular, not known at all, Sunu Sunfire, which is a rebadged Isuzu Impulse. And the recently acquired addition to the fleet is this the SI 8th Gen, first year 8th Gen Civic SI, which has only been made or sold for about a year because really they weren't popular. I recently did a video on this, as you guys, I don't know if you haven't seen it yet, Brembo brakes on this baby, and we painted the caliper on this other side here. So please view those videos if you haven't yet, if you are interested. So anyways, guys, sorry, I'm just kind of going off track here. Mainly, I'm back on the Acura MDX. Please watch the videos that I have on the Acura MDX if you guys needing any information, any help on getting this car maintained. Well, look at those videos and help me out in that sense. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and it goes a long ways if you guys support me in this case. I'm giving all this information for free, so I guess in return, I just ask for your help to give me some support and give me some love so that algorithm can actually promote my video in this sense. So anyways, guys, as always, again, peace out.